Hello, good afternoon. Okay. So today, we're going to continue our discussion of process control and process dynamic. Specifically I think we're done with chapter 2 of Coghanor. Last meeting we have discussed the basic Laplace solution, di ba? We try to solve a first order uh,
Yun sir, nakamute ka ata sir.
thank you. Okay. Yung ganun. Hindi man ako nakamute kanina. Na-mute ko. Na-mute ko pala kasi minumute ko kayo. Iba kasi sa inyo naka-open yung mic. So, hindi naman lahat na wala ang sinabi ko. Yung part lang na maiksi. So, last meeting, we tried to solve a first order differential equation using Laplace equation. Kung tandaan nyo pa, So, I told you to remember the Laplace transformation, yung ilan ba yun? Apat or tatlo, So first yung constant, yung A. So ang Laplace transform nun ay A over S. Tapos yung variable, halimbawa A times T. So ang Laplace transform nun ay A over S squared. Tapos yung Laplace ng derivative, yung dx dt or df dt is sf function of S minus f at 0. No? Tandaan niyo pa ba yan? Tapos uh, yung transform ng e to the negative at ay 1 over S plus A. So, yun yung, those are the transform that I told you to remember. Tapos we solve a first order differential equation, using the Laplace transform. Okay, so today, let me share my PowerPoint. Ano ba tayo? Chapter 3 na tayo, So this is still from Coghanor. The material here is from Coghanor. So chapter 3 is about inversion by partial fraction, So magkakaroon tayo ng parang yung denominator natin is a factor, is made up of two factors. Tapos in order to solve the differential equation, basically yung Laplace transform natin, meron siyang dalawang factor sa denominator. So, in order to solve for those kind of Laplace transform, we need to use partial fraction method, So probably tandaan niyo pa naman to, probably yung partial fraction ginawa niyo na rin sa calculus, O kaya naman yun, probably naglaplace na rin kayo sa differential equation o kaya sa advanced math, Let's try a problem. So this is example 3.1. Let's try to solve dx dt plus x is equals to 1 wherein x at 0 is equals to 0. So basically the same step, kunin niyo rin yung Laplace, nitong equation na to, tapos substitute itong value ng x at 0 is 0. Tapos, factor out nyo yung x function of S, capital X function of S. Tapos, solve nyo yung Laplace transform. Tapos, yun. Let's see kung ano mangyayari. Let's try to solve this one. Okay. So, kunin natin yung lang. Okay. Ito, kunin natin yung kanyang Laplace transform. So, that would be S, tapos X of S, tapos minus x at 0. Tapos ito, ang Laplace transform ng x is just x of s. Tapos may 1 doon, so this is equals to 1. Constant kasi siya, 1 over s. Tapos pag pinactor out nyo yung x function of s, and this is 0 lang naman to, So 0 lang to. Mawawala lang yan. Okay? Pag pinactor out nyo to, you will have something like s plus 1. No? This is equals to 1 over s. So pag tinranspose nyo sa kabila yung s plus 1, x function of s, this is capital X, is equals to 1 over s times s plus 1. So notice pag ganito na yung ating Laplace transform, you need to resort to to partial fraction para ma-solve siya, Kasi wala naman tayo sa special formula natin na ganito, or kung meron man, hindi natin memorize, So what we're going to do is we're going to convert this to a over s, partial fraction, plus b over s plus 1. Tapos we need to determine the value of a and b. So to determine the value of a and b, basically i-multiply lang natin itong buong equation na to ng s times s plus 1. So basically ang mangyayari dito, magka-cancel out lang yan dito sa term na to. So you will have 1. Tapos sa kabila, you will have a. Magka-cancel up yung s. So we have s plus 1. Tapos plus b. Kakancel up yung s plus 1, magkakaroon ka dito ng s. So you need to find the value of a and b. So how do you find the value of a and b? So halimbawa, assume natin na if s is equals to 0, 0 to, so matitira na lamang ito, itong part na to. So 1 is equals to a times s is 0, so times 1 na lang. So ibig sabihin, a is equals to 1. Tama? Di ba? Question at this point? So the same thing, if we're going to let s plus 1 is equals to 0, so that means s is equals to, anong value ng s? Negative 1, So kung negative 1 yan, tapos substitute dito, kasi 0 na yung a, 0 na tong part na to. So ipag substitute dito, 1 is equals to negative b. So b is equals to negative 1. Any questions so far? Can you follow the solution? Tapos going back to the equation, yung kanina, di ba yung ating x, pag sinubstitute yung value ng a, at saka yung value ng b, dito sa equation natin, So you will have x of s, dito na lang, x of s, capital X of s, is equals to 1 over s plus, minus 1 divided by s plus 1. So if we're going to find the solution for this, di ba the solution would be x. Ito, pag inverse Laplace yung 1 over s, di ba this will give you 1. Ito, Tapos yung namang negative 1 over s plus 1, this will give you negative e to the negative t. Kung tandaan nyo pa yung inverse Laplace dito, is e to the negative t. So this is the final answer. Do you have any question regarding partial fraction sa Laplace? So before we proceed to dun sa mga word problem sa process dynamics, first you need to know how to solve yung equation na ma-generate nyo, from the word problem. And basically it's like this, Nasusundan ba? Question? Okay, so if you don't have any question, let me clear this. Tapos ito rin yung sagot, Ito rin yung sagot sa libro. 1 minus e to the negative t. So do you have any question? Okay, so just like past meeting, I want you to solve your own problem. So, I want you to work on this. Nagawa niyo na ba yung problem last meeting? So, try to solve dx dt tapos plus 2x is equals to 0 tapos x at 0 is equals to 0. So, try to solve this one. Sorry. This is dx dt is equals to 2. Try to solve this one. Dx dt plus 2x is equals to 2. Tapos x at 0 is equals to 0. So, meron din yung ano. You also need to use partial fraction in order to come up with yun. Kung kayong nakopya nyo na yung problem? Are you working on it? Do you have the paper and pencil? Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Stephanie. So let me check your attendance, ha? Habang nagsosolve kayo. Copy na naman yung problem, di ba? Balik ko na lang later. Jana Arcamo. Tisha. Tisha. Can you hear me?
Present, sir.
Ivan Bert Damasco. Ivan. Bago to ah.
Hello, sir.
Kilala nyo? Ivan Bert Damasco. Josh Dinela. Sino si Justin? Josh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Christopher Ferrer.
Present, sir.
Judy Madulara. Judy Marie Madulara.
Present, sir.
Harbin Lee Maghuyop. Harbin. Fritz Mayordomo.
Present po, sir.
Stephanie. Jay.
Present po, sir.
Okay. Daveson Soriano.
Present po, sir.
JJ Tolentino.
Sir,
Yes, what happened?
Arvin po, walang mic.
Is that JJ? Sira mic niya.
Ay, sir. Present po, sir.
JJ.
Okay. Lorenzo Villalobos. Lorenzo? Lorenzo is not
Si
around.
Harvin po, sir. Si Harvin.
Si Harbin, present din si Harbin? Harbin, present ka?
Present po si Villalobos, sir.
Okay. Si Villalobos present din. Okay.
Yes, sir. Present po siya. Sira lang daw po yung mic.
Okay.
Sir, si Quisha din po
Hello.
is present. Ayan na po siya.
Dali lang. I think I check Krisha. So basically ang absent lang is si Jana at saka si Ivan Berg. Please inform Ivan Berg na nag-aano tayo, nagsusum tayo. Pag sa CHE1 ATP pag 5 PM 5 PM TTH. Tapos may lab kayo.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Excuse me po.
Yes.
Present po si JC. Siya po yung nagsasalita kanina.
Okay, sige. Hello JC, ba't wala ka na uling mic? Hindi ka na naman naka-earphones.
Ay, hindi, sir.
Naka-earphones ka na. Medyo
Yung
choppy pa.
may
Choppy
mic.
ba ako?
Wala po.
Mm-mm.
Hindi, sir. Meron ako, sir.
Pero okay naman yung yung signal ko sa inyo. Okay naman. Yung audio, okay naman.
Okay lang po.
Okay. Ayan. Paki-inform na lang actually si Ivan
Okay
lang.
lang, sir.
Si Ivan lang yung absent. Kung kilala niyo siya, paki-inform lang siya na nagzo-zoom tayo. Every 5 PM PTH. Tsaka may lab naman kayo, di ba? Every Wednesday, I hope nag-meet kayo.
I think, sir, late enrollee po si Ivan.
Oo nga.
Pero
At saka
sasabihan
ngayon
lang po namin siya.
Ngayon ko rin lang ata siya naging estudyante. Baka kasi hindi siya aware na nagsusum tayo. Oo, sige. Nawalan. Sige, sulat ko na lang ulit. So I want you to solve lang. Try to solve dx dt plus 2x is equals to 2 at or x at 0 is equals to 0. Yes, very good, Joss. Gagawa ako ng bin, tapos picturean or paki-scan. Pag halimbawa nag-e-exam tayo, gumamit kayo ng cam scanner para mas madaling chikan. Kasi pag pinicturean nyo lang, ang tawag doon, pag pinicturean nyo lamang yung solutions, hindi ko makontrol yung pen, lumalapad siya, parang nagiging highlighter, ganun. Hindi siya malaking sulat ng pen. So, pangit yung correction ng exam nyo. So, gumamit kayo ng cam scanner, So, just like SEP, yung exam natin dito will be face to face. Basta may magbabantay sa inyo, ganun yung instruction ni Ma'am Laling. So please try to learn this, So basically tatlo na yung topic natin, we're on chapter 3. Yung una, yung basic ng process control diagram, Yung may mga control variable, set point, no, measured variable, controller, final controller, yung ganun, ano, process, dapat alam niyo yan. Tapos last time yung basic Laplace, tapos ngayon yung partial fraction, ha? Okay na? Tapos na? Hold lang. Pag may question, tanong lang kayo. So basically, mapapansin nyo, merong mga, may mga second order. Hindi ko muna pinapasolve sa inyo. Ano, later na lang pag meron na tayong mga second order problem. Kasi yung isosolve nating mga problem sa chapter 4 ay mga first order. Mga first order lang naman. Yeah, that's good. Stephanie, very good. That's correct. Paki-double check siya. Parang may ano, may mali. Paki-double check yung solution mo. May konting mali. Okay? Nakopy na naman yung ano, no, yung problem. Gagawan ko lang ng bin sa Blackboard para malagay niyo na yung answer niyo. Yun. Kung meron na kayong solution, ah yes, very good, Fritz. That's correct. Tama na, Keisha. Very good. Daveson, ang dami naman. Tsaka Daveson, kailangan mo siyang i-simplify. Kailangan mong i-simplify Daveson. Pero actually, yung Laplace transform mo, ano ba? Parang mali yung Laplace transform mo. Paki-double check mo dun pa lang sa Laplace mali na. Kailangan mong i-inverse Laplace, Daveson. Pero double check mo yung ano mo, yung Laplace transform mo. Parang mali. Yung mga nakatama na, sinabi ko tama na yung sagot niyo. Picturean na lang yung solution tapos paki-attach na rin, ha? Yes, JC, correct. Very good, JC. Kuha nyo na naman to, ano? I'm sorry. Plus 2x. Sige. Okay lang. Picture mo na lang, ano, Jane. Hindi kayo naglalagay ng space, ano? Sige na nga, hindi ko na nga nalalagyan ng space. Yung sagot ko para tamaan kayo ni Blackboard. Dali lang, ha. Kaya, wag na kayo maglagay ng space para lahat na lang walang space. So don't put any space in your answer para more or less similar tayo ng sagot. Wala akong parenthesis. Do you need to place a parenthesis? Wala naman. Wag na kayo maglagay ng parenthesis. Parenthesis ka ba kanina? Dun sa ano. Wag nyo na. Diba? Meron namang caret eh. So, wag nyo na lagyan ng parenthesis. Saka automatic naman na una sa operation yun kasi exponential. Huwag mo nang lagyan ng parenthesis. Any other questions? Walang space, walang parenthesis. Yung final answer. Para tamaan kayo ng Blackboard. Anyway, pag hindi naman kayo tinamaan, double check ko naman. Pero syempre, para meron na makita nyo na agad na may 100 kayo. Sundin nyo na lang yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Walang space, walang parenthesis. Similar to this one. Ito may space pa to eh. So tanggalin niyo lang yung space nito. Tapos na lahat nung nandito. Oh, JJ, kung na lang ata hindi nagpapakita ng sagot mo. Okay naman, nakuha mo naman. Saka si Judy. Wala ko na kung meron na si Judy. Sir Lorenzo. Wala kasi kayo last meeting, ano? Paano kayo? Dapat pag wala kayo last meeting, sana may kita point na ano, na meron namang recording, may kita point na panoorin nyo yung recording. Saka isolve nyo yung exercise. Kasi ganun yung ano eh, itong process control, ano? Yung nakaraang meeting related do sa susunod na meeting. Tapos yung mga napag-aralan nyo nung nakaraang meeting, gagamitin nyo do sa susunod na meeting. So, we're building up information, ano? Parang ganun. Sinong hindi pa tapos? Wala na ata, tayo na lang, ano? Teka, sino pa ba nandito? Yan, JJ, any question? Alam mo na? Can you hear me? Wala. Mr. Lorenzo, do you have any question?
Sir, yung inverse pong input sa BD, sir, na
Inverse, yeah. That's the final answer. X is equals to then the equation. Sige. Yeah, if you do, yeah, no, don't use any parentheses and then no space, ano? Para checkan kayo ng ano, ng Blackboard. May mga nakapag-submit na ba? Ayaw mag-upload ng solution. Baka kasi nakadata ka lang, Stefan. Nakadata ka lang. Ah, nasa ano kayo? Nasa MMCM kayo? Nabagal nga sa campus. Ay, wifi. Tapos mabagal. Sige, kahit yung panel answer na lang, subukan mo kung tatamaan ka. Follow mo na lamang later yung follow mo na lang later yung solution pag mabilis na. Yap, lagyan nyo ng X. Kasi ang solution, X is equals to ano yung solution? Dapat may X. Equation, ang solution ng differential equation. Di ba? Kaya dapat merong X is equals to blank, blank, blank. Ano pa naman yan? 1 week pa naman, ha? The deadline is on the 24th. So, you can still, check your solution. Will be disconnected in 1 minute. See you in biochemical engineering at 6:15. Sige. Bye-bye. Solve nyo lang muna yung problem. Ayusin yung solution. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, sir.